Hello students, today we are going to continue our unit number 1 spatial understanding. Okay, so in previous class we all learnt about top, bottom. Okay students, in this class I will show how to color the top and bottom rows. Okay students, in this picture color the bricks of top. Top means which is above. Okay students, top two rows red and the bricks of the bottom. Bottom means below. Okay students, bottom two rows green. So I have colored here top rows with the red color. These two are top rows and these two are bottom rows. For top rows I have given here red color. So you used to give color crayons. Okay students, use crayons for color. Top two rows are colored with the red color and bottom two rows colored with the green. Okay, second one, color the top part of our flag. So this is our national flag. Top part should be colored with the orange and bottom part should be colored with the green. So use crayon for coloring. Top of the row flag, okay, it is colored with the orange and bottom of the row is colored with green. Okay students, next third one, draw a star at the top of this tree and ball at the bottom. We have to draw star. Where we have to draw star? Top of the tree. So this is Christmas tree. We have drawn a star. Okay, a star top of the tree. Okay, these are all balls drawn bottom of the tree. Hope you are all understood. Thank you. Our next topic is on and under. So this class is on the table. Book is also on the table. Chalk piece is also on the table. So, where the bottle and the bags are? The bags and the bag and the bottles are under the table. Okay, students. So, color the box under the table. There are two boxes here. Which one is under the table? So that have colored with the red color. Okay, this box is under the table. Same, color the mangoes on the trees. Okay, color the mangoes on the tree. These are all on the trees and these mangoes are under the tree. So I have colored on the tree. Okay, they have told color the mangoes on the tree. These are mangoes are all on the tree. So I have colored these mangoes with colors. Next one. Look at the given picture and circle the correct answer. Okay students. This is table. These are flowers. These are leaves. Where flower lies? The flower lies. The flowers are on the table. So for this we have to circle the on word. Okay, they have given, look at the given picture and circle the correct answer. Where are the flowers? Flowers on the table. So I have circled on. So like that you have to circle on. The flowers are on the table. Next, and the leaves are under the table. Okay, next, Look at the given picture. Fill the blanks with the on or under. So the mug is on the mat. So write on here. And the mat is under the mug. Mat lies under the mug. So the mat is under the mug. Next one, inside and outside. Look at the picture, students. Two boys are standing outside the house, and one boy is standing inside the house. Like that, they have given circle the animal that is inside the cave. So this is cave. Okay. These two are lions. Okay. Which lion is inside the cave? So this lion is inside the cave. So circle this lion. Okay, students? Circle this lion. Next, second one. Color the marbles that are outside the box. These marbles are inside the box. These marbles are outside the box. Give the color your choice. Okay, students? Okay. So they told we have to give the color which are outside the box. These are all outside the box. For this we have to give color. Okay, students? Next one. Third, circle the hands outside the coop. Okay, this is coop. Some hands are outside, some hands are inside. So we have to circle the hands which are outside the coop. Okay, these two hands are outside the coop. So circle these two hands. Next, look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with the inside or outside. We have to observe these two pictures. Okay, the mangoes are. Where the mangoes here? Okay, the mangoes are inside the basket. So write inside in the gap. Okay, the mangoes are inside the basket. Next, the watermelons are. These are watermelons. These are outside the basket. Okay, students? Next, turn your page. Above and below. Above means upside, below means downside. Okay, students? So fan is above. Okay, fan is above. The fan is above the boy. The boy is below the fan. With this concept, we have to color the birds above the tree. So this bird is above the tree. So give your choice of colors. Okay. Above the tree. This bird is flying above the tree. Okay, students. Next, draw a leaf below the flower. This is flower. These are leaves. Okay. Below means downside, downwards. Okay, down. So draw a leaf. They said only one. I draw two here. Okay. Next one. Draw a butterfly above the flowers. So we should draw a butterfly. This is butterfly, and this butterfly is flying where? Above the flowers. Above the flowers. Okay, students. Next, look at the picture and fill the blanks with the above or below. These are leaves. This is ground, and these are roots. Okay, leaves, ground, roots. The roots grow. Where the roots grow? Below the ground. Right? Below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. The roots grow below the ground. Okay. Next. The leaves grow. The leaves grow above. A-B-O-V-E. Above. Above the ground. Okay. Next topic. Next topic. Near and far. So the dog is sitting near the mango tree. The dog is sitting near the mango tree. This is mango tree, dog, and this is dog. This dog is sitting near the tree. Okay. But the tortoise is far from the mango tree. This is tortoise. It is far away from the mango tree. Okay, students. Next. Look at the picture. Fill the blanks with near or far. Beena is, Beena means girl. Okay. Beena is near her house. Okay. Right? N-E-A-R, near. Okay. Beena is near her house. Bijoy. This is Bijoy. He is far away from this house. Okay. Bijoy is far. F-A-R, far. From his house. Second one. Draw a tree far from the pond. This is pond. Okay, students. This is pond. We have to draw tree. We have to draw tree far from the pond. Okay. Draw tree here. Tree, and draw a mouse near the tree. We have to draw one little mouse that is near to tree. Okay. Next. Observe this picture. Do as directed. A. Color the flower near to the girl with red color. So this flower is near to girl. So you have to color with red color. Use crayons for coloring. Okay. Next, B question. Color the flower far from the girl with yellow color. So this flower is far from the girl. So give yellow color. Okay. Next, C. Color the tree far from the girl. So there are three here, but this looks near. Okay. This looks smaller. So this is far away from the girl. Okay. Color the tree far from the girl green. So this tree is looking small. Okay. Which things looks small? Okay. Andre ಯಾವುದು ದೂರದಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ದೂರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. ಕಲರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್. So this tree is far from the girl. So I have colored green here. Okay. Next, color the butterfly near the girl. So this butterfly is near to girl. So they have told give blue color. So color with blue. Okay, students. Next topic. Small, big. Okay. Let us compare the size of the fox and an elephant. This is fox and this is elephant. So among these, fox is small and elephant is big. Okay. So observe the figure, circle the small object and cross big object of each group. Okay. There are two bottles here. One is big and one is small. Okay. So what they have given? Circle the small object. We have to circle the small object. Okay. Small object to circle and cross. Cross for big object. Among these two, this is pumpkin, brinjal. Which one is smaller here? Brinjal. So circle for brinjal, cross for pumpkin. Among these two, mouse and cat. Which one is small here? So for mouse we have to circle. For cat we have to do cross mark. This is cherry and this is tomato. Which one is small here? Cherry is the small. For that we have to circle. Tomato is big compared to cherry. So cross for tomato. Okay students. Next. Do as directed. Draw a star bigger than the given one. Okay. So they have given small star. We have to draw a big star. Okay. Small, big. B. Draw a flower smaller than the given. They have given big flower. We have to draw a small flower. Okay. Next. Observe these observe each object. Write S for small. We have to write S for the small and B for the big object. Compare these two tables. Which one is small here? This one. For this we have to write S. S means small. B means big. So this is small table, this is big table. Next one. Compare these two objects. This one is pencil and this one is eraser. So this is B for big. S is for small. Like that. Duster and chalkpiece. Which one is big here? Duster. So write B for duster. S for chalkpiece. B for big. S for small. Understood students? Next one. So this one is English textbook and this one is some book which is small. Write S for this. Write big for this. Our next concept is less or more. Less or more. See these two buckets students. This bucket has more water. More water. This bucket has less water. Okay. Compare these dots. Okay. These are more dots. These are less dots. What they have given here? Observe these picture and do as directed. Circle the container with more pencil. These two are container. In first container, they have contained more pencils compared to this. These are more pencil. For that, we have to circle. So, circle these container with a circle. Okay. Circle this container. And cross container with less pencil. In this container, there are less pencil. For that, we have to do cross mark. And second one. Cross the tree with the more fruits. Circle the tree with more fruits. This tree contains more fruit. For this we have to circle. And this tree contains less fruits. For this we have to cross. Okay. Next. Observe the groups. Tick the one that has less and the cross that have more. Compare these two mangoes. Which one is greater? Which one is more here? Comparing to this, it is more. These are more. Okay. So for that we have to cross. And these mangoes are less. And for that we have to give this mark. Okay. Compare these cycles. Which are more here? This one. For that we have to cross. Which are less? For that we have to draw a tick, right mark here. Okay. Compare these parrots. Okay. So here these are 9 parrots. So these are more parrots. And these are less parrots. Compare these bananas. Compare these bananas. So these are more. For that we have to write cross mark. These are less bananas. For that we have to tick right mark. Okay, students. Next, before, after and between. Before, after and between. Okay. So study these examples. Okay. This is dog, lion, zebra. Okay. So a dog, a lion and a zebra are standing in a line. These animals are standing in a line. The dog is before the lion. The dog is before the lion. The lion is before the zebra. Before the zebra. Lion is after the dog. Zebra is after the lion. The lion is in between dog and the zebra. Okay. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. There are 3 animals here. This is horse, goat, cow. Okay. Horse, goat, cow. The horse is before the goat. Horse is before the goat. So write goat here. G-O-A-T, goat. Next, the goat is before the, where cow stands here? Before the cow. So the goat is before the cow. C-O-W, cow. Okay. Next, the goat is after the horse. Write horse here. H-O-R-S-E, horse. The cow is after the goat. Write G-O-A-T, goat here. Okay. The goat is in between. Which 2 animals? Horse and the cow. So write H-O-R-S-E, horse, and C-O-W, cow. Okay, students. Next, look at the picture and name the following. These are some vehicle. This is truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. T-E-M-P-O, tempo. C-A-R, car. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. Okay. The vehicle before the tempo. Which vehicle is before the tempo here? Truck. So T-R-U-C-K, truck. Right here. Truck. Okay. 2 vehicles before the car. 2 vehicles before the car. Right? Truck and tempo. T-R-U-C-K, truck. A-N-D and T-E-M-P-O, tempo. Okay. 3 vehicles before the scooter. This is scooter. There are 3 vehicles before the scooter. Which are those? TRUCK truck, TEMPO tempo, and CAR car. Okay. The vehicle after the car. Which vehicle is after the car? Yes, scooter. Right? SCOOTER, scooter. Two vehicles after the tempo. Two vehicles after the tempo. So, CAR car and scooter. Three vehicles after the truck. Three vehicles after the truck. Which are those? Tempo, car and scooter. Two vehicles between truck and the scooter. This is truck and scooter. These two are between. Which are those? Tempo and car. Hope you are all understood. Thank you.